It's Laintricia Munyango. I'm 22 years of age. I grew up at Mashamtan village, but currently staying at Practiceer.
Suited for each other, suited for each other. Tailor-made, I'm glued up on my lover. I'll never lose him to another.
I am a presenter at Dubatsi TV. The reason why I chose to be a presenter, it's because I am a very confident person. I connect with the audience, of which is one of the most important things one must do when working with the public.
What a life, what a love, yeah. What a life, what a love, yeah. What a life, what a life, what a love, yeah. What a life, what a love, yeah.
Well, my goals and aspirations are, I just want to be happy in life and hoping that whatever choices that I make will lead me into the right direction. And I need to network more at a professional level with the people and educate myself more about being a presenter. When you're looking for me, you can always find me at Facebook, of which is Lay McKay. The McKay is MCKAY. And also on Twitter, it's Lay McKay. Instagram, I'm Lay McKay. It's Lay_McKay. So thank you for your time for going through my profile. And if you want to know more, just go through all the pages that I've mentioned.